The Supreme Court Historical Society has created a local program for high school students focusing on legal principles. Juliet Morris is the Society's curriculum development manager and has details on all this, and it's called the Hometowns program, correct?
That's right. The Supreme Court in my hometown, or Hometowns for short.
All right, very good. So let's start off with just the basics on the program, and it's open to high school students, right?
That's right. So the Supreme Court in my hometown is the Supreme Court Historical Society's National Civics Program for high school students. And what we do is we partner with federal district courts across the United States to bring a group of 30 or so high school students to their local court so that they can learn about a case that has local history and then went to the Supreme Court of the United States.
Okay, so they're getting that civics lesson for sure. And can you talk about maybe some of the local cases, right, that students have been exposed to?
So in other cities that we visited, like Sacramento, students learned about the case Ex parte Endo, which was a Japanese-American incarceration case from World War II. And in that case, we were able to really localize it for them and bring in survivors of the incarceration camps, for example.
So we're in a period right now in which schools, they can apply, right, to be part of the program or to get into the program and to utilize this. Talk about that period in time that we're in right now and what you're asking schools to do.
Absolutely. So right now we are recruiting students to do the program in the Western District of New York. So there's going to be a program running in Buffalo and a program running in Rochester. The case that they'll be studying is West Virginia's Board of Education versus Barnett. It's a First Amendment case. And that case didn't start in New York, but it was authored by Justice Robert H. Jackson, who is from Western New York. And to apply, you submit your application by May 29th on civics.supremecourthistory.org. And we're asking schools to share this information with any students who are interested in the law or justice.
Okay, so they got about a month or so to apply and to get in there. If you apply, there's no guarantee that you'll actually get in, right? Is that the case?
That's right. It is a selective program. We accept about 30 students in a typical program. So we're looking for students who have a solid letter of recommendation and good written responses that just really show your interest in why this particular case is important to you, why Robert Jackson and his legacy are important to you, or why this program and the experience that you would get from being in a courthouse would mean something to you.
Yeah, and I'm sure you're probably looking for, maybe not in every single case, but students who have a desire to be in the court system, be a lawyer or be a police officer or something along those lines in which they're learning about the law.
Absolutely. So it's a great place for people who are already involved in mock trials and moot courts and debate clubs at their schools. But it's also great for someone who's thinking, I don't know if this is something I want to pursue or not, but I'd love to learn more. So if you think that this could be something that you're interested in, we hope that you consider applying.
Okay, so let's remind people, just because we have some time that's running out here, the application process, we're in that right now. What's that website that they go to? You
should go to civics.supremecourthistory.org and click on Hometowns.
All right, very good. Juliet, anything else that you wanted to add? It sounds like a great program.
No, that's all from us. Thank you so much for having me.
All right, thank you for coming on in.